I was interviewing for a new job, and I was able to use the sum ifs formula on a test or an Excel test for the new job, and I was able to pass it. I didn't even know about that formula before Excel University, so that's probably my biggest win. My name is Linda Paxton. I am in Iowa, and I'm a senior accountant. I am currently working at Permar Security, and I have a new opportunity that I'll be starting in a couple weeks. I knew that I hadn't had much Excel training before, or like in the years between college and work. As an accountant, I live in Excel. I thought I was an expert in Excel, and then I started hearing like all these different terminology that I hadn't heard of, and I'm like, I don't know where to learn this stuff. Like, I feel like I'm behind the times, so I need to catch up. I'm feeling definitely more confident. Like, I know even more about Excel. Like I thought I was an expert before, but then now I'm like, oh my gosh, like I know so much more than I did before. So it's just great to be able to help people with their questions and make things more efficient. So I've had situations where I've tried to look for a better formula, and you can find it online, but you don't really understand what you're doing. You're just blindly following the formula. And Excel University, you learn each piece of the formula and what it actually means and how to use it going forward, which is a great help. I do some manual sales reports, and I used to have to like copy paste a bunch of different files together and then do a pivot table. And now I can, instead of doing a pivot table, I can just use a sum ifs formula and then just sum everybody's sales up, and it just automatically fills up their totals. So it's really cool. It probably maybe took half an hour to an hour before, and now maybe 10 minutes or so. I would definitely recommend Excel University to anybody who uses Excel. You can learn so much, so many better ways to use Excel to make your everyday tasks go faster and be more efficient.